In this video, I want to talk a little bit about PDFs and accessibility. It's really important that whenever you're adding PDFs to an As You Learn site for students, that those PDFs are accessible. Often students use readers to read the text to them, and so it's important that when you upload a PDF, it's machine readable. And how do you know if that's true? In this example, I just opened up a PDF, and right now I am looking at it just in the preview mode. If you try to click and highlight text and it highlights the whole thing, then it's an image file and the text is not machine readable, and that needs to be fixed. So what's the best tool to do that? What I'm going to recommend on a Mac is that you open up a Finder window. And once you do that, go to Applications. And what you're going to do is look for the full version Adobe Acrobat DC. And then look for Adobe Acrobat. This is different than the Reader. It's the full version of Acrobat Pro. It offers a lot more tools. The Reader does not do what you need it to do in this instance. So I've opened up the PDF in Adobe Acrobat, and off to the side here you should see Tools. If you don't, click this arrow. That collapses that column, and I want you to scroll to the bottom and go to More Tools. This shows you all the tools that are available, and as you scroll through, look for the Action Wizard. Click that. Once you click it, the action list comes up, and one of the options is Make it accessible. So you would click that, and then there's a Start button. And this begins the process. So one of the things, this PDF doesn't have a title, so I would uncheck Leave As Is and enter a title. And then click OK. The next step, it asks to recognize the text and what language to use, so I'm going to select English US and hit OK. It asks if this is a fillable form. In this instance, it's not a form, so I'm actually going to skip this step. The next step is Set Reading Language. I'm going to leave it on English and hit OK. And now it's saying Detect All Figures. This is where it's looking for any images that don't have alternate text. And that alternate text, for people who can't view the image, it tells them what that image is. So I'm going to click OK. And it says there are no figures without alt text, so I hit OK. And then this opens up the full accessibility checker options, and you can hit Start Checking. And it'll tell you if there are any additional things it wasn't able to resolve. But one of the things straight off that it fixed was now I can select text so it's machine readable. The step I showed you doesn't resolve all the issues, but it resolves a lot of them to get you on the path to accessibility. I hope this helps.